What a lovely day to go to the beach. You got the space lift, the Eden project. Let's go to the beach. It's all the people are driving along. How nice. Is it me, or did that boat just go really high up? And is that a lot of water? Oh no. I hope that's not what I think it is. That's a tsunami, isn't it? Oh my. I'm out. We need to run as fast as we can. Run! Wait, it might just be the sea looks deeper. Nope, that's definitely a wave of water. Oh no. It's taken over. Oh my, that's actually really big. Oh my goodness, look at the cars. Oh my goodness. That building just collapsed. Oh no. Eden project. Look at all the cars. Oh. I need to get out. I don't know how far it's going to go inland, but I need to run as far as possible. I was going the wrong way. Run! Oh god, no. Ah! Oh my goodness. The Eden products just collapsed and I'm stuck. The space lift. I can't move. I've been hit by the wave. Blue, blue. Can I swim to safety? No, I think I'm dead. Oh, I just had something else collapse. Buildings are collapsing. Now I'm underwater. Look, the houses are collapsing. Oh no. People run, don't drive into it. The park. I hear all the buildings collapsing. The police station. No. Everything's collapsing. I don't think there's going to be much left of the city in a second. Oh my goodness. Help. My city. Yes. I don't think it's receiving. Oh my goodness. Oh, the bunkers, they didn't do their job. I'm going to try and get into it. I need to get high up, but I can't. Wait, let's quickly go up into the sky. Whoa, I did it. This survived. Oh, they're building. They're rebuilding. That was the Eden project. There's nothing left of it. This is all that's left of the city. There is and it's going over the motorway now. All these people. They're being so stupid. You don't drive into a tsunami. You drive away from it, because now you're just going to be picked up and taken with the wave. Oh my goodness. And all that's left of the city is a couple of tall, lucky buildings. And there's not much left. Everything's collapsed. Some buildings are lucky. Well, that's going to be the end of this video. As you can see, the city was totally destroyed by the tsunami, and the tsunami itself is still going over here, stronger. It's going to hit this motorway. Well, I'm going to pause it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.